Welcome to Technia TV. I am Rakesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Good morning to all. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Great. So I am going to start the class. In last class, we have discussed about process of mass media research. Today, we will discuss about research design. So research design is a very important step in research. So I start with the definition of research design. According to Kenner and Taylor, a research design is a set of method and procedures used in collecting and analyzing measures of the variables specified in the research problems. On the other hand, research design is a systematic approach which a researcher used to conduct a scientific study. It is overall synchronization of identified components and data resulting in a possible outcome. To finally come up with an authentic and accurate result, the research design follow a strategic methodology in the line with the types of research. There are 4 types of research design. First one is exploratory research. Just the word suggests it's explore, that is to find out something by answering and questioning in what or how manner. Second is descriptive research. This is a more in-depth research and answering the question what and how. Explanatory research. This is tried to find to explain the subject matter being researched and try to answer the question what, how and why. Fourth one is evaluation research. This is quite extensive as it measures the effectiveness of a program. Types of research design. With a clear understanding of the types of research design, a design research can be drawn just like the way of architect chooses a layout from its many design to fit the specific landscape. The same way, the research design is picked from a many design to fit the types of research being carried out. On a universal terms, research design is viewed from 2 perspectives. One is quantitative research design or second is qualitative research design. With both have the extended component, they can both to be used and applied typically together. A quantitative research design is used to examine the relationship between variables by using numbers and statistics to explain and analyzing its finding. There are 4 types of quantitative research design. Descriptive design. It is intended to describe the present status of the research. These types of design goes not required hypothesis to being with. These analyzes and generated from existing data. Correlation design. This seek to discover if 2 variables are associated or related in the same way using statistical analysis while observing the variables. Next one is experimental design. This is a method used to establish a cause and effect relationship between 2 variables or group of variables. The independent variable is manipulated to observe the effect on the dependent variable. For example, a certain group is exposed to a variables then compared with the group not exposed to the variables. Quasi-experimental design. This experimental is designed just like the true experimental design, except it is not use randomized sample groups. It is also when a typical research design is not practicable. Next one is qualitative research design. Qualitative research design is exploratory in nature as it tries to explore not predict the outcomes. It seeks to answer the question what and how. A qualitative research design is used to explore the meaning and understanding of complex social environments like the nature of people's experiences using case study. A quantitative research design shares similar characteristics with a specific research in the different way. I hope you understand all this point. For more videos, like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.